Good morning, gang. Day 2, was it day 3 already? I don't know, I've lost track. I'm on holiday, so who cares? I'm off to Hamburg today. We're gonna take the subway. So I drove from my brother's place, sort of halfway to Hamburg, and there's a park and ride car park here. You can park for free all day. So we're gonna catch the subway the rest of the way into town. It's a beautiful day. Kidding. It is wet, it is cold, 2 degrees. I haven't seen the sun since I left Australia. So yeah, beautiful day to go shopping or whatever we're gonna do. We'll see. Anyway, I'll see you on the subway.
Nächster Halt, Lattenkamp. Ausstieg links.
Still such a beautiful day in Hamburg. 2 degrees and rain. Yeah. Yes, and it doesn't look like it's going to get any better soon. So we're just going to have to make the best of it. You would have noticed I've packed away my big camera because it is constantly raining, and I'm just going to use my mobile phone to record. I can't, because it's so wet out here, can't really afford to take the big camera out. So we are in the middle of Hamburg right now. In fact, I'm just walking over the Alster. The Alster is the lake in the middle of Hamburg, and there are little fjords, sort of little arms spreading out from the Alster, and this is one of them. If you have a look behind me, the Alster, the big lake, the center lake in Hamburg is behind me. You can't see it here, and this is one of the fjords spreading out from the lake. If you look behind me, let me just turn around. Here we are. There is the town hall. This big square here behind me, they they normally have the Christmas markets on during Christmas times, and other events, I suppose, when they come up. On this beautiful day here in Hamburg, the sun is shining, Well, if you apply enough imagination anyway. I've come to the central, I don't know what you call it, the central lake, the Alster, which is the central lake, I guess, in the middle of Hamburg. So let me just flip the camera around if I can. Behind me you can see the I don't know what you call them, those ships you can jump on and do a tour around the lakes of Hamburg. Plenty of birds around here, just like at home. Around the Alster, around this lake, you have all those expensive hotels like the Four Seasons behind me. Right, so unfortunately that's all I managed to record. It started to rain a lot more in the afternoon, so I just simply stopped recording. There was no way I was going to hang out in the open with all that rain coming down. So basically, after this footage that you've just seen, I headed down back to the into the subway and drove home, pretty much. And that was my day done. I'll try and do some more meaningful videos over the next few days. Well, the big one coming up on Friday. Well, we head off Friday to Austria, so that's going to be a big video. Hopefully, my videos will become more exciting as time progresses. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you get notification every time I upload a new video. For this video, it's bye for now.